Today we have some exciting news buzzing in the tech world. Google has officially unveiled its first foldable phone, the Google Pixel Fold, at Google I/O 2023, and I'm here to give you the scoop. Let's dive right into the specs. The Pixel Fold boasts a Tensor G2 chipset, 12 gigs of RAM, and a choice of 256 or 512 gigs of storage. Google claims this device is the tiniest foldable on the market at a mere 12.1mm thick. It's also the thinnest Pixel model when unfolded, coming in at just 5.8mm. The Pixel Fold features a 7.6-inch foldable display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus cover display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Google has also paid attention to durability, equipping the Pixel Fold with an IPX8 rating for water resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus for protection against scrapes and falls. The Pixel Fold has a triple lens camera system with a 48 megapixels main camera, a 10.8 megapixels telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 10.8 megapixels ultra-wide camera. It also has a 9.5 megapixels camera on the front and an 8 megapixels camera on the inside. Google claims this is the best foldable camera system. Have you seen the subscribe button? And of course, we can't forget the battery life. The Pixel Fold has a 4821 mAh battery, offering over 24 hours of life and up to 72 hours in extreme battery save mode. It charges back up at 30 watts. The software is tailor-made for foldable, with features like a dual screen interpreter mode, split screen mode, and a tabletop mode. Pre-orders for the Pixel Fold are open, priced at $1,799 or £1,749. As a bonus, if you pre-order, you'll get a Pixel Watch for free. Early reviews are in and impressions are mixed. The Pixel Fold's wider front display, thinnest foldable design, optimized apps, taskbar, and powerful 5x zoom have been praised. However, its high price, chunky bezels, and visible crease are points of criticism. Google is targeting the perceived weaknesses of rival foldable phones. But with its high prices and certain design choices, how it will fare in the market remains to be seen. Check the Google Pixel 7a next, which was unveiled at the latest Google I/O event.